Welcome back to the channel. This walk around video is on this 2021 Chevy Blazer RS. Now this thing is black on black. You have black emblems. Rims aren't really black, like a darker gray with some polished alloy around them, but they are nice looking. This has a 3.6 liter V6. It's a 9-speed automatic transmission. Yeah. Power windows and locks. I mean, when I mean black on black, it's black. You have a panoramic sunroof. Now these seats, you see red coming through them. The red stitching, and the underlining of the seats is black on top, then it has an underlining of red. So you see that it's sharp. You have built-in navigation, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have backup camera. This thing has a Wi-Fi hotspot. And of course, OnStar, all your climate controls. Right here, you have heated seats. Let's get it down here. You do have Amazon Alexa if you have the data package through OnStar. Of course, it comes with Spotify, which is you have to have the data package. Your round air vent. This is how you turn these, and it changes the temperature. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Of course, just all your AC controls. You have parking sensors, and you have your touring mode, your snow mode, and then your sports mode. So that's always nice. And up here, just your usual Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, your gap setting, collision alert. Now this 2021 Blazer does have 10,047 miles. Still have plenty of the factory warranty left on it. It does have remote start and a hands-free liftgate. And these Blazers, they're 2 rows. Look at it, you have plenty of room back here for your luggage. I mean, plenty. They got a lot of space in the back here, and these fold down if you need more. Yeah, the only emblems that aren't black are the RS. Those are red. The seats are just like the front seats. You have that little red lining in them. '21 Chevy Blazer RS. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.